बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे जनवरी 12 2025 के अखबार में। SIUT BIUT वी आर लुकिंग फॉर एनर्जेटिक एंड enthusiastic professionals who have passion and a desire to make a positive difference in patient care. The below mentioned positions are based at Shaheed Benazirabad, Nawabshah. Senior lecturer / assistant professor / consultant / specialist clinical pathology, histopathology, microbiology, hematology, MBBS / FCPS / MCPS / DCP in respective disciplines. Qualification, experience and publications of faculty positions are as per PMDC requirements. For consultant / specialist post 2 years experience is required. Senior lecturer / assistant professor, Peds urology, anesthesiology, Peds nephrology, intensive care unit nephrology. Qualification, experience and publications of faculty positions are as per PMDC requirements. Consultant / specialist radiology, FCPS / MCPS / DMRD in radiology with relevant experience. Resident medical officer, shift duties. Urology, anesthesia, nephrology, emergency ICU. MBBS with 1 year house job completed. Nursing supervisor, BSCN or 3 year diploma of general nursing with valid PNC registration. Candidates must have 7 years post qualification experience, out of which 3 years in supervisory role in a tertiary care hospital. Assistant medical social officer, graduate preferably in social work / sociology / public health from recognized institution with 2 to 3 years relevant experience in a hospital setup. We offer a market competitive salary, perks and a growth oriented work environment. Supervisor, fire and safety, GACO / NCO, retired from armed forces with 3 to 5 years experience in fire and safety trade. Lithotripsy technician, certification / training of lithotripsy technician from recognized institution with 2 to 3 years working experience in relevant field. Urodynamic technologist, certification / training of urodynamic technology from recognized institution with 2 to 3 years working experience in relevant field. Laboratory technician, intermediate science with diploma of lab technician recognized from Sindh medical faculty or BS medical technology with 2 to 3 years working experience in laboratory services department. Dialysis technician, intermediate science with diploma of dialysis technician recognized from Sindh medical faculty or BS medical technology with 2 to 3 years working experience in dialysis unit. Security guard, female, matriculation with working experience of 2 to 3 years in a hospital setup. Cook, middle / matric pass with relevant experience. How to apply? If you are interested in joining our dynamic team, please send your updated resume at biutsiut.hr@gmail.com. latest by January 25, 2025. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. Al-Murtaza School Network, female teaching staff required. Teachers for primary level classes 1 to 5 are teachers for primary and lower secondary level. English teacher for lower secondary level class 4 to 5, Maths teacher for secondary level. Eligibility criteria minimum bachelor's degree or A levels. Experience will be preferred. Proficiency in spoken and written English benefits. Excellent in-house training and sponsorship for further professional development. Progressive salaries with enhanced personal skills and training. Life insurance, health insurance, EOBI, provident fund scheme and other fringe benefits. Confidentiality of applicant will be strictly observed. amsnetwork.hr@gmail.com और 163 के ब्लॉक 3 PCHS कराची 0300 266 5251 0300 266 5251. Bank of Khyber, we are hiring. Bank of Khyber is seeking applications from highly skilled and experienced candidates for the following positions. Branch managers. Location Lahore, Islamabad /DHA Islamabad, Shangla, Miranshah /Bannu Karak. Sub branch manager. Location Sawat. Officer Financial Planning Unit, Budgeting and Planning Department. Finance Group. Location Head Office Peshawar, Head Remittances Department. Trade Operations Division. Location Karachi. Trade Officers. Location Lahore. Office Trade Based Money Laundering Department. Location Karachi. Note: in case the degree is obtained from a foreign university, equivalency certificate from HEC is to be submitted by the candidates at the time of interview to validate the required education. Interested candidates may visit our website at www.bok.com.pk/careers for further details regarding job responsibilities and for submission of online application latest by January 26, 2025. Persons with special needs are persuaded to apply. Bank of Khyber is an equal opportunity employer. All candidates are treated strictly on merit. Women are strongly encouraged to apply. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है ये, टीचर ट्रेनर रिक्वायर्ड. We are looking for confident, energetic and career-oriented female individuals for a trust-operated school/teachers professional development center. The applicants should have M.Ed/BA diploma or other professional qualifications with strengths in science, biology, chemistry, physics for primary and secondary levels. The applicant should have experience of designing and conducting courses and need-based workshops for teachers. She should be able to facilitate teachers' professional development through classroom observations, conducting academic sessions and using other modes of need-based professional support. Fluency in written and spoken English is essential. Opportunities for professional growth and attractive salary with fringe benefits will be offered commensurate with experience and qualifications. Please send your application with complete CV or email to amsnetwork.hr@gmail.com. Al Murtaza Professional Development Center, 164D Block 3 PECHS Karachi. Phone number 0300 266 5251 0300 266 5251. Email amsnetwork.hr@gmail.com. Confidentiality of applicants will be strictly observed. Career opportunities. We are seeking a skilled import officer and import assistant for our import department. Import officer Salary range rupees 45,000 to 75,000. Be a graduate with 4 to 5 years of experience in import handling. Be skilled in preparing LC/contracts, communicating with banks, shipping companies, custom agents and transports etc. Maintain a proper track record of all shipments. Import assistant. Salary range rupees 40,000 to 60,000. A graduate with 4 to 5 years of experience in handling, import, clearing, bills and vendors payments etc. Proficiency in preparing landed costs of import items. Ability to communicate effectively with the shipping agents, custom agents and transporters. Capability to maintain accurate records of all payments/port demurrage and other costs. Apply by 31st January 2025. Send your CV to email jobs.ho@shafi.com. अच्छा जी, ये यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कराची की जॉब है। यूनिवर्सिटी रोड कराची 75270। टेलीफोन नंबर 0219926134 99261344। ईमेल registrar@uok.edu.pk। January 10, 2025. Career opportunities. Applications are invited for the following positions in the respective departments/institutes of the University of Karachi as per criteria and terms and conditions given below. Director Quality Enhancement Cell 1 Post Contractual. First class master's degree or preferably higher degree from HEC recognized institute with no third division in the entire academic career and 10 years administrative experience, preferably in QEC in any public or repute private sector higher education institution or equivalent. In addition, any law degree is highly desirable. The incumbent must have the knowledge of quality assurance and data processing in respect of SAR, IPE and academic audit for universities and affiliated allied institutions in the process of quality control and quality enhancement according to higher education parameters prescribed by HEC. Should have proficiency in English language with good communication skills and command on office automation. Horticulture Officer 1 Post Contractual. First class BS degree in horticulture/MSc in botany/agriculture with specialization in plant taxonomy or preferably higher degree along with 5 years experience in botanical garden. Field knowledge will be considered as an additional qualification. Important notes. Application should be submitted on prescribed form obtainable from the HRM section, ground floor, New Administration, University of Karachi, on payment of rupees 4,000 through pay order in favor of University of Karachi. Number 2. Degree/certificate courses must be passed from university/board/institutions recognized by the HEC. Application on plain paper will not be accepted. Maximum age limit for applicants is 43 years. On the closing date of advertisement, condition of age is relaxable for internal candidates/government employees. Candidate already working in government, semi-government and autonomous organization in Pakistan must apply through proper channel. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview/selection board of the university. The University of Karachi reserves the right to withdraw any post or may cancel the advertisement at any time without assigning any reason. Candidates must have seen domicile. All previous advertisement of these posts are withdrawn. The University of Karachi is an equal opportunity employer. 2 copies of application along with photocopies of degree/diploma/certificate/experience certificates must reach the HRM section, University of Karachi, within 15 working days of the publication of this advertisement. Registrar Dr. Panjwani, Center for Molecular Medicine and Drug Research, International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences, University of Karachi, Karachi 75270. Academic positions vacant. Assistant Professor 02 positions, Molecular Medicine/Molecular Virology. Candidate should have PhD degree in Molecular Medicine from HEC, recognized university/institution, with at least 1 year of postdoctoral research experience in molecular virology. Candidate should have at least 4 research publications in internationally abstracted impact factor journals in the relevant field. 6 copies of the applications form can be downloaded from the website of ICCS, www.iccs.edu, and a pay order of ₹1000 drawn in favor of Director ICCS, along with copy of CNIC attested testimonials, reprints of research publications, and a copy of this advertisement must reach to the Director ICCS, University of Karachi, Karachi 75270 within 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Director ICCS। अच्छा जी, ये रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 12 जनवरी के में ये इश्तिहार आया हुआ है। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी कैरावन एयरक्राफ्ट एंड टेक्निकल स्टाफ। Applications are invited for hiring the following appointments on contract basis for a period of 3 years, extendable in Chief Minister's Flight, Government of Balochistan, Quetta. Senior and captain and captain pilots, number of posts 0101. Valid PCAA ATPLA, valid class 1 medical, maximum 50 years, no relaxation. 2000 hours ऑन फिक्स्ड विंग, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सीडेंट फ्री फ्लाइंग रिकॉर्ड, एक्सपीरियंस इन वीआईपी ऑपरेशंस रिलीफ। ठीक है। अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफिसर, नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 1, CPL ए, वैलिड क्लास, मैक्सिमम एज 30 years, नो रिलैक्सेशन, 2000 hours ऑन फिक्स्ड विंग, एक्सीडेंट फ्री फ्लाइंग रिकॉर्ड। ऑपरेशन मैनेजर / क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इंस्पेक्टर / फ्लाइट डिस्पैचर 01 पोस्ट, टेक्निकल स्टाफ। ये आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें। MBA प्रेफरेबल। इंजन मैकेनिक 01 पोजीशंस, FA/FSC, 5 years एक्सपीरियंस, CAA सर्टिफाइड, मैक्सिमम 50 years, रिलैक्सेशन में बी गिवन एज पर क्वालिफिकेशन। इलेक्ट्रीशियन मैकेनिक 01 पोस्ट है, मैक्सिमम 50 years, FA/FSC, 5 years एक्सपीरियंस ऑन रिक्विजिट ट्रेड, CAA सर्टिफाइड। एवियोनिक मैकेनिक 01 मैक्सिमम, FA/FSC। असिस्टेंट स्टोर मैन / सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर 01 पोस्ट, मैक्सिमम 50 years, BA/BSc। GSE टेक्नीशियन 01 पोस्ट, मैक्सिमम 50 years एज पर क्वालिफिकेशन, FA/FSC। ड्राइवर 01 पोस्ट, मैक्सिमम एज 35 years, मिडिल पास, वैलिड LTV लाइसेंस। नाइब कासिद 01 मैक्सिमम एज 35 years, मिडिल पास। पे एंड अलाउंस अट्रैक्टिव पे पैकेज विल बी ऑफर्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ इंटरव्यू फॉर selected candidates. General conditions: 3 multiply by pilots will be selected and 2 multiply by pilots will be placed in reserve for utilization. ये आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा। G0TA/TA interview may also be conducted online. Decision of the competent authority will be final for selection. NOC from government department will be required from applicants serving on contract in case it is mentioned in their terms of contract. Otherwise, a copy of the contract will be attached with the application. In case of armed forces retired personnel, requisite clearance for Re-employment required. G. Not EA/TA will be admissible for the interview. Selected pilots shall be asked to sign initial training bond on Cessna qualification, whereas technical staff shall sign service bond for training abroad. Note 1 application clearly mentioning the post 1 page CV, copy of CNIC, copy of valid ATPL A/CPL A and Class 1 medical for pilots. 3 multiply by passport size photographs, copies of academic record, professional documents in PDF format must be emailed to director avn@balochistan.gov.pk and chief pilot@balochistan.gov.pk within 15 days of this advertisement. Number 2, applicants not fulfilling the qualifications and requirements shall not be considered. Phone number 0819203372, 0819203372, Director Aviation Wing, Government of Balochistan, Block number 4, first floor, Civil Secretariat, जरगून रोड, कोयटा। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।